All right, this is Mark, markgps.com. We are at 2450 East El Chorro Way, and this is a Brady Sandall listing, and so I want to thank Keller Williams for letting me get in here and take a look at it. Doing a swoop around, this is a cul-de-sac listing that is feral, that the car is turning off of, and so there's really not a lot of traffic that's going to be going down this particular road. As I swing all the way around, you'll see the beautiful views at the end of the cul-de-sac. On the left, there's a contemporary home that's the same design as this, but what they did is they totally redid the outside. So this 70s look can always be adjusted. Anyhow, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,400 square foot home, and is being sold for $1,479,500. Let us go inside and take a look. Oh, I should say this is Los Compadres Estates, so we are on the south end. We're actually quite close to where the Jensen's is located if you need some markers to figure it out. All right, so we are inside. Michael Sullivan's here doing the open house, and this is a broker's open, which happens on Wednesdays. So a little, expert tip is if you come in at Wednesdays, 9:30 to noon, the homes that are new on the market oftentimes are on broker's open, which is great. Anyhow, we are inside. The nice thing about this build out, the developer did this whole thing with having a fireplace in the center and then the vaulted ceiling, which is really pretty. Then these owners did a terrific job with this cut concrete that's been stained, and then there's these beautiful folding doors that go all the way across. It's hotter than Hades outside, so I'm pretty sure that's not going to be opened up directly right away. And Michael is working on getting the AC going. That shade is a little wonky, so it goes up and looks lovely. But from here, you have terrific views. So this is really nice. You get the inside view situation. Big kitchen, big galley kitchen, goes way back, lots of space back here. Nice package of stainless steel appliances, granite. There's this nice little area here where people can join you and watch what you're doing, but they don't necessarily have to be in your kitchen space. And from here you can see the views to the south. There really are lovely views from this home. So this is really, really nice. I love it. Here, I should show you what's going on there. Really nice southern views. Okay, so since I'm over here, I'm on the garage side. It does have a 2-car garage. It's me, Mark, markgps.com. And then as I come around, this is the 4th bedroom. There's Michael. Mr. Sullivan is trying to get everything together. He's like, stop it, Mark. This is the casita. So you've got a kitchenette in here. You've got a different flooring. It's a concrete flooring that's also been stained. Really nice, big, tall doors. Those are 8-foot high doors, which is really nice and unusual. And these have great views from here. Again, this is your view. You could use this as a primary suite, I suppose, if you wanted to wake up to this view in the morning. Lots of big doors that are going out. And then this is the bathroom for this particular unit. There is a door going outside. So if you're using the pool, you'll be able to come in here. Nice big closet space, which is great. Love the use of color. It's really quite pretty. Like the tile. I even like the glass block. Not always my favorite thing, but it looks beautiful. And the patterning on the wall is really cool. Toilet is in that room. So this open bathroom does have some closing off for that. Again, I gotta say, this is really nice with the view. I'm gonna pop out here because I know that it's just so hot trying to go out through the main sliding doors is gonna just be a challenge today. This lot is elevated above the one behind. So if you put bushes up here, you're not gonna see anything about the neighbors. Great pool. I actually really love this pool. It's deep on this one end. I'm sure there was at one point a diving board. You've got the spa on that end. Sounds like I see the bubbling. I have a feeling that the pump has just turned on. The windows over there with the ledge under it, that's gonna be your kitchen. You can see the big doors that slide, and then the really phenomenal view that's going on from here. So great backyard, really nicely set up, and then we're gonna have a bedroom over on the far side on that corner. All right, well, let's go see the bedrooms on the other side. I'll come around here and do one more view at the house so you can see what sitting on the far side of the pool is gonna give you. This gives you a good view of the roof. That's a concrete tile. Some people are unfamiliar with just the different types of roofing we have here, but this is a concrete tile. It usually lasts 40 or 50 years. This looks like it's in really good shape, so that's nice. And then I do see a little bit of a solar water heating, something or other going on there, and tubing on the, oh, I see lots of it, tubing on the roof. So that tubing on the roof there to the left, that is solar water heat. If it's working, what happens is the pump will put the water through that and then go into the pool. Probably not doing it now. We don't need it to be warmer, but that's how you warm up the pool. All right, so the first bedroom is as you go down the hallway, it's to the left. This is gonna be at the front of the home. Mirrored closet, perfectly good size, not huge, but lovely. Great view. So the nice thing about being here, so we're only a couple blocks really from Petco and Jensen's over on Palm Canyon East, but it's nice and quiet. There's a condo community on the other side of those homes we were just looking at. Floors throughout, the main home are this cut concrete that really looks very nice. And then, so anyhow, super nice room. Door here that's not open is actually to the bath that these two bedrooms are going to be using. Hey, markgps.com. I will turn on the light. Michael is still struggling with the AC. They have a kind of unusual one we're not familiar with. This is a really nice bath. It's in great shape. It's got a bathtub. So a lot of people ask about that here in the desert because you'll find that a lot of us just don't have bathtubs. And they're great for kids and for dogs, and if you have an ailment. But a lot of people also say that, you know, if you've got to get warm, you go to the spa. So that's what oftentimes happens. Okay, this is a real traditional layout. This is the corner bedroom. You're going to have a closet to my left. Nice size. That's a queen size bed so that you've got an idea of size that we're working with. Big fuzzy yaks, and then a really great view looking outside. So again, really, really nice. And then the third bedroom down here. So this is the traditional layout for this design in this side. This is what the developer did with all of these. This is a king size bed that we see in front of us. And those are the doors that I pointed out when I was at the pool. So this is the far west side. It has really nice doors. This is your primary suite. I'm not sure why that ginormous bush is there to protect you from being seen, I guess. But there's the pool, so you get an idea of where we're at. And then this is a north-facing view. So you can kind of see, well, I can see them. There are the hills in the background there, but they're not real significant. What you were really gonna see is the pool. As I swing around, you're gonna see the hallway, room across the way, and you're gonna see the closet. So that's the layout for this. And then in the bathroom, there is more storage, probably more of a linen closet and pantry. And then you have the toilet, and then you have me, hey, markgps.com. And then this is the layout for the bath, which I think is really, really nice. So totally great. I am gonna buzz down the street and just do a quick look at the contemporary. So, I mean, some people just, the 70s look sometimes is a little off-putting, which I don't fully think is a bad thing, but there's Mr. Sullivan again, just to give you a layout. He has got the AC working. Yes, you're a rock star. And coming back into the living room so you can see the layout once again. Okay, so I will buzz across the street to the more contemporary exterior home, but I will go to the window here so that you can see a little better the view, because when I was doing it earlier, it just mainly focused on the windows. That's just the limitation of the camera. But really great views here, and since I'm so close to this bush, it's kind of limiting, but the further back you get in the home, you really get to see a lot of this. Okay, and as promised, this is an example of what you can do to the exterior of that home. It's exactly the same floor plan. All right, markgps.com.